Now, Go is actually supported on Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. Obviously, the best server to run a MerX server on is going to be a Linux box. It's a free operating system. It's a lot more stable than the other ones and a whole lot more quick as far as what's going on. We highly recommend setting up a Linux box, and we can help with doing that if you don't have anybody that can help with it. Once the Linux box is set up, or again, any of the other ones, if you happen to want to run a server off of them, you're going to have to compile the application. Now, on the main website, we actually are going to be putting, and well, actually we can send you a pre-compiled version, so you don't even have to install Go at all. We'll just give you the binary that you can set where you want to and execute it. But let's start off here by VIing or editing the make file that we have. You'll notice here it just says Go install, and then it gives the path to where the actual executable is, and that's really all you would have to type to be able to do this. Now, in our case, all we're going to do is type /make, and the system will go out and make the file. Now, if you happen to have installed Go, which you would have to have if you're going to be compiling this, what happens is if we back up here, one more, there's a bin folder that gets created, and it's in the main Go install file, and you'll see here is the MerX executable. It just says MerX. That's what you would actually have if you're going to be compiling the thing yourself. And again, we're more than happy to give you a pre-compiled version. We have OS X, Windows, and Linux boxes here that we can compile the executable on if you want to do that. So you can either download the source code and set up the packages and everything yourself, so you've got full access to everything that's going on, or you can just get a pre-compiled executable, and again, we can send that to you upon request. So just let us know if it's something that you want. But that's really all that there is to the entire package. We now can kind of see how generically everything is set up, what files are doing what inside of the application, and then finally, how to compile it and get it where you need it to be on the server.